Automating customer service with AI-powered chatbots involves creating a system that can understand, respond to, and learn from user interactions. These chatbots can handle various customer service tasks, from answering fax to solving complex queries, enhancing efficiency and customer satisfaction. Here's how you can implement AI-powered chatbots. For automating customer service, define the objectives and scope. Explain what you want the chatbot to achieve. Determine whether it will handle general inquiries, provide technical support, guide users through a process, or offer personalized recommendations. Choose a platform. Choose a chatbot development platform based on your needs. Some platforms require coding skills, while others offer drag-and-drop interfaces for non-technical users. Consider factors like integration capabilities, scalability, and the level of customization available. Design conversation flows. Map out potential conversation paths, including questions users might ask and how the chatbot should respond. Design these flows to be intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that the chatbot can efficiently guide users to their desired outcomes. Utilize natural language processing (NLP). Implement NLP technology to enable the chatbot to understand and process user inputs in natural language. This way it handles various user queries, even those phrased in different ways. Integrate with databases and APIs. Connect the chatbot with your internal databases and external APIs to enable it to retrieve and provide accurate information. This integration allows the chatbot to perform tasks like checking order status, scheduling appointments, or providing account-specific assistance. Train the chatbot. Use existing customer service transcripts, fax, and other resources to train the chatbot. This should be ongoing, allowing the chatbot to learn from interactions and improve over time. Implement escalation protocols. Define clear escalation paths for the chatbot. If a user's query or issue exceeds the chatbot's capabilities, it should smoothly transfer the user to a human agent. Test and iterate. Rigorously test the chatbot with real users before full deployment. Collect feedback on its performance and make necessary adjustments. Continuous testing and iteration will help refine the chatbot's responses and functionality. Monitor and analyze. Continuously monitor the chatbot's interactions to ensure it performs as intended. Analyze conversations to identify areas for improvement and update the chatbot's training data and conversation flows accordingly. Ensure privacy and security. Implement robust security measures to protect user data and ensure that interactions with the chatbot comply with relevant privacy regulations. By following these steps, businesses can create an AI-powered chatbot that automates customer service. The chatbot will provide users with quick, accurate, and 24/7 support, while freeing up human agents to focus on more complex and nuanced tasks.